There is one very important thing which I would raise before the House, is about a boat which was being put up. That boat is now, they called it Nirvana. And in this Nirvana, the GTDC had given a contract to Marine Tech ship managers and surveyors on 5th November 2018. An SPV was formed and a tripartite agreement was executed with the operator. Charter period 20 वर्षाचो आणि GTDC फारीक कोत्ता 19,80,000 आणि per month to end GST is extra. Charter fees to the operator, escalation clause aha 5% every year. Just 2 minutes more, because this is something little important. The government of Goa, I can see, is paying port charges, bunkering, which is fuel, lubrication, oil, consumables, water, everything it is paying. Whatever is requisition, you have to pay. On-off hire surveys, you have to carry out. All surveys, docking and major repairs, GTDC. And if you are going to pay this amount, I think this is a scam. I think the government must review this, because you can't drain out your funds to make payment to an operator who will have merry, and you will only collect petty amount of revenue of tickets. How much will you get on a ticket? And you're going to pay lakhs of rupees? If it's 90 lakhs, you multiply 20 lakhs a year, a month. Multiply just by 10, it becomes 2 crores. So another 2 means 2 crores, 40 lakhs you are going to pay, excluding GST. I think you are going to be draining your coffers, and I think that the government must order an inquiry as to how this has happened and how the money is flowing. I have also come to know that the government has already given an advance of 2 crores to Celestial Cruises and Hospitality at interest-free rates, which is, I think, very ridiculous. We should have had certain guarantees and clauses. I demand that the government should examine this, look at the legal aspect of it, because now that you have entered an agreement, it's a legal agreement. But you can, if it is inequitable, and you can terminate this agreement and make sure that the government stops payment. I can unless you pay for the boat and they give you a boat and you run the boat. But it's not this way. You give the money, they build a boat and give somebody else to run. This is the way it is going on. And on top, you're paying for it. So I demand that at least stop this and get sanity back.